Now, third paragraph. Anuj was not just a person with the dynamic ideas on photography, on the connectedness between human beings and all other living species. Okay, his friend whose name was Anuj, he was very good, what you can say, he was very good photographer. Okay, Anuj was a very good photographer. Okay, and he was connected between, he was taking always photographies of human beings and other living, even animals photographer, he was taking photos. Okay, now see next page number 89. On self-improvement as a part of human evolution, on the cosmos, he had turned into a friend very quickly, a much older friend. Okay, he was elder than Vikrant. Okay, he was older than Vikrant, but he became very good friend within a very short period of time. While reading a book borrowed from Anuj and experimenting with the Anuj old Kodak camera, Vikrant knew that his parents had watched his new interests with growing dismay. His class grades have dropped. He had started skipping group tuitions, even the extra school classes designed for the weekends, and only child, as tension grew between Vikrant and his parents. So, did he identity with Anuj? Because Anuj became very good friend to him. Now, Vikrant started spending lot of time with Anuj camera, and he started showing very much interest in photography instead of any other study or any books. Okay, now because he started showing his interest in photography, he dropped his classes as well. Now his keen interest turned towards photography, rather studies are in book. Okay, now because of that reason he dropped his classes, he became weak in studies, and that led to parents and Vikrant, both of them, to have tension. Okay, parents are worried because Vikrant should supposed to clear CET, isn't it? So that he will get a medical entrance exam. After clearing medical entrance exam, he should get into the reputed or prestigious medical college admission, isn't it? Because he dropped his studies and he started showing interest on photography, parents did not like it. Paragraph 5. Panting, Vikrant flopped on a concrete bench just beyond which Anuj was exercising on the metal swing bars, gouted into the earth. Vikrant flopped on the bench where Anuj used to exercise, and even he is also upset. Now see, children, here in this lesson, how we can see that how parents are forcing children to become what they want, isn't it? They don't care what children they want, isn't it? That is what in this lesson we are going to learn. If parents are forcing children, if they force their children what they wanted to become, then it will be a tension for them, and it will even body do not help them, isn't it? Sixth paragraph. Nothing like a good workout under the blue sky, much better than an air-conditioned gym, said Anuj, with satisfaction leaping off the bars to drop onto the bald grass. Hey, what's up? You look grim. Now both the friends are talking. Nothing like good workout under the sky, blue sky. much better than air conditioned gym. Okay, it is better to be in air condition, not on the this is who is telling this all. Anuj is explaining to Vikrant. Okay, working under the sky is something which is not better. Working under in an air conditioned gym is good for me. Leaping off the bars to drop onto the bald grass. Hey, what's up? You look grim. He is talking and he is asking Vikrant. I am talking and you are looking very sad. What is the problem? He is asking to Vikrant. Paragraph 7. Vikrant is replying. Vikrant shrugged and there was a silence. Then he asked, did your parents put pressure on you to become a photographer? Photojournalist? He is asking question to Anuj. Did your parents ever force you to become a photojournalist? He is asking to Anuj. Oh, no. He is answering like this. Anuj is answering. Oh, no. Laughed Anuj. He is laughing and answering. I started on my own with journalism and then took up photography much later to make the stories alive visually. Then, after a pause, he said, is the pressure at home bad? Okay. Pressure from parents is very bad. He will tell to Vikrant. Okay. Vikrant tried to shrug, but nodded instead. But he wanted to shrug, meaning rise slightly and momentarily to express the doubt, ignorance. Sometimes we put your hands up and we try to ignore, isn't it? Like that he will also do. Okay, he tried to shrug, but he nodded the head. Instead of telling any other words, he nodded the head and he started moving. It seems to me that the pressure is worse for children of doctors. Perhaps because medicine is considered the noblest of professions and gives prestige. But tell me, how do you react to pressure? Okay, he is asking, Vikrant is asking to Anuj, children of doctors have lot of pressure because their children also wanted to become a doctor, and doctor is the noblest profession and it gives prestige in the society. Because of that reason parents pressure us. But tell me how much it is good pressuring on children. He is asking to Anuj. 10th paragraph. Oh, I explained, I argue, I snap, I agree, I explain, whatever you are saying, I agree. Sometimes I even walk out. Is it worse when I lose control? Okay, I understand that it is a lot of pressure. Sometimes what happens when I get lot of pressure, what I do is I'll walk out of the place. Yeah. But have you noticed how your body reacts? Yeah, of course, what you are telling is true. Have you ever reacted what your body is reacting in opposite? He tells to him. My body. No, not really. He never noticed. Who never noticed? Vikrant. If you want to get control over a situation, you could start by first observing your body's reaction, your posture, body temperature, muscle reactions, breathing, the taste in your mouth. If you want your body to react, how it is how your body is reacting, if you want to understand your body is reacting, you have to notice your posture, your body temperature, muscles, breathing, all that, your mouth, whenever you are feeling thirst, because it will become very dry. He will explain to him. Turn your page number 90, 14th paragraph. How will that help? Ask Vikrant. How it will help? Doubtfully he will ask to him. How it is helping me in order to understand my body? It will help you witness your reactions as if they were happening to someone else. Your observation, your body and its reactions. You also distance yourself from them. This distance will help you first see, then control your reactions, said Anuj. Okay, doubtfully he'll ask how it is helping me if I understand my body. Then he replies, you have to understand, which helps you a lot in order to understand your reaction towards your body. You also distance yourself from them. Okay, you will also understand. It will also help you to first see, then control your reactions. Okay, and it will help you in order to control yourself. Anuj will reply to Vikrant. Okay, up to paragraph 11 I am stopping here. Then next class I will start with the 15th paragraph. Today's writing homework is, open your glossary. Page number 93. Glossary 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Junkies. Up to here you should write it in your homework book and learn this glossary words. And reading homework, writing, even this is also your writing homework. I told you in the beginning of this session. Okay, and reading homework, read from page number 88 to 90 up to where I have completed up to 14th paragraph. You have to complete your lesson reading, and if you have got lot of time, you have to other paragraphs also you should read and try to understand. Okay, with this I will complete my session. Bye.